Okay, here it is. The Apple Mac Mini with the M1 chip. I'm super excited to review this today, and we're going to compare it with a couple of things, including a Ryzen Zen 3 5600X. Before we do that, I'm going to do a quick unboxing, and then we're going to take a look at benchmarks and sort of talk about what does this mean for the whole computer industry, because this changes everything. All right, with the new Mac Mini. There it is. From what I've heard, I'm making some apps. And we got the normal stickers, just the power cable. One giant sticker, because I guess who needs a little one anymore? It's kind of lopsided. I wonder if the power supply probably in this corner or something. It's sort of weird as you move it around. It's not uniform. That is cool. There's the front thing. All right. And there you have it, the new Mac Mini with the M1 Apple Silicon chip unboxed.